Hi, my name is Joseph Heller and I'm the CEO and founder of the studio. I've been in manufacturing for over 15 years and the studio has been around for over 13 years. Myself and my team asked ourselves a really important question a while ago. We asked ourselves, what would manufacturing look like if it was made for entrepreneurs, creators, and designers? Because manufacturing in the past, it was made for like Walmart and Targets of the world. Really long lead times, no internet, and very, very large orders. And what we said is a supply chain made for creators would be low MOQs, awesome customer service, very high quality embedded factories with very, very quick lead times. It would all be digital. And so we sat down and we decided to build that. And that is the Source Anything platform that we've launched recently. And the goal is to make it really, really easy for anyone that has an idea, whether you're an HR manager that wants to make something really cool for your team, or if you're like an e-commerce entrepreneur and you just want to make really, really special products. In the past, your only choice was like printing on blank products, but at Source Anything, what we're bringing you is exclusive access the best factories in the world that actually want to work with you. So I'll kind of describe a few projects that we've done recently, just so you can kind of get a feel for what we can do at the studio. So this is a project that we worked on with a brand. This is a health and wellness brand that's very focused on hydration and just focused on health and wellness in general. And so one of their most important requirements is that the product be made without any forever chemicals, because you can't be a health and wellness brand if you're producing products that have a lot of chemicals. So they were super, super clear on that. They also were just very clear on the way the product kind of felt. They were very clear on the type of colors they wanted. So, and they obviously couldn't afford high MOQs because they're a small startup. We were able to find a factory that believed in their vision, that executed on the project for them. They did everything from the molding to the dyeing of the product to the final production. Another example, kind of staying on this health and wellness tip, which we're seeing a lot of projects in health and wellness. This company wanted to make a sleep mask that was 100% silk. We helped them do the packaging. And then there's this kind of nice card in here, which we helped them do, that tells the story of the brand. It's wrapped in this tissue paper with even a custom sticker. And the product is made 100% in silk, and they were able to do extremely low MOQs. Some other examples of some projects that we've been able to execute on. This customer, they were very specific. They wanted boxing and packaging that was made out of recyclable material. Even this packaging inside is made out of recyclable material. They wanted to do extremely low MOQs because they had a lot of designs. We're able to do 20, 30 pieces of each design, everything from earrings to bracelets. It was an entire jewelry line. Here's another example. We helped them to create the shipping box. This is socks. So everything, the tissue paper, even the packaging that goes on the socks. And again, this was another company that had actually over 1,000 different designs that they needed executed on, and we were able to find them a factory that was super excited about their project. This is a footwear company. This production was actually done in Portugal, and they were very specific on the Pantone pink that they wanted. They needed a bone off-white shoelaces. Everything is customized in very low MOQs. We did everything from the dust bag that has our logo on it to the actual packaging and box. These are all different products we did. There's a backpack. This is an accessory for walking your dog. This is another water bottle. They wanted everything with very specific molding. We did all the molding for them. And this is a cute little knife company that had very specific Pantone colors that they wanted to execute on. So how does it work? It's super easy. It starts with an idea. So again, whether you're a creator, influencer, entrepreneur, you just put your idea on the website. If you need help with the design, our team can help you with the design free of charge. We then upload your project, and then vetted factories will quote on the project. You can do video calls with the factories. You can chat with them. And the factories are incentivized to work for you because the more projects they execute on, the more business that we bring to these different factories. All of these are factories that have committed to working with small businesses and entrepreneurs and creators. Once you're done with the project, you're able to rate your experience with them and go from there. We're really, really looking forward to your next project at the studio. Thank you very much.